Series here on my channel just about helping you to make a living or a second or a third job on the side and teaching you how to do affiliate marketing and make money through social media, grow an organic audience, how to save money and plan and time management, all that stuff. If you're new, I'll link the whole Boss Babe playlist down below. I would love if you would catch up on those episodes. Hopefully they can be a resource for you. I've done tons of previous videos on how I have successfully made a living here on YouTube within the past like 4 years. Never, ever, ever with the intent to like brag or like show off or anything like that. I just want to make that so clear. But just as being able to really do what I'm passionate about and share that back with you guys and be able to support my son is the biggest blessing in my life and just something I enjoy so much. So as I've told you guys before, I truly do feel like it's my duty to share that back with other people, other young female entrepreneurs and single moms. I'm passionate about teaching you guys how to do the same so you can support your family, you know, by doing something that you really love, or even if it's a second job or a side job or whatever it may be. So I have done other videos on how to make money just in general on YouTube, but on this video, I wanted to make this video a lot more specific because I constantly get questions, how much exactly can you make on YouTube? How many video views do you need to make a certain amount? So yeah, I wanted to be really transparent and just tell you guys exactly step by step, like to the exact dollar amounts. So in this video, you might want to grab a pen and a paper because I'm gonna give you guys a few different equations of how you can make $5,000 a month on YouTube. And we're talking about AdSense money through Google. Of course, you can get paid extra through affiliate marketing and through sponsorships or through your own personal business. That's all additional, but I'm gonna be talking here specifically about getting paid through video views, like through the Google AdSense program. So I'll teach you guys exactly how many views and stuff and how many times a week you need to upload consistently to make 5 grand. We're gonna talk about 10 grand a month, and we're gonna talk about 20 grand a month. I have never made 20 grand a month ever. I'll just be upfront with you guys. Well, not just specifically with AdSense. I believe the most I ever made from AdSense was maybe like 13 grand, and that was last year when one of my videos blew up and got over 1 million views. But yeah, with my AdSense money every month, plus, you know, my ebooks, my social media courses, affiliate marketing, with everything all bundled together, I'm able to make it a living. So I know a lot of you want to make YouTube videos, or you already do, but you're not getting paid much through AdSense, and you really want to know like what threshold do you really need to hit to be able to make solid money. All right, so let's get into the numbers. I brought up my Google AdSense account here. I'm gonna be really real and transparent and honest with you guys and share like my personal stats just because I don't mind. So I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like. I brought up my video views from last month. So out of the entire month, I got 650,000 views off of all my videos combined for that month. So if we go ahead and divide that by 30 days, if I posted a video every single day, each video would have to get 21,000 views, and I made about $5,000 in AdSense last month. So if you're a daily vlogger or a daily uploader and you are looking to make $5,000 a month in AdSense, that's what you would have to hit. You would have to hit about 21,000 views on every single video if you upload every day. Now, say you don't want to upload every day, you don't have the time, you might only upload 2 through 4 times a week, you're going to want to double that number. You're going to want your average video views to be around 40,000. Say you post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you get 40,000 views on every video. That's going to even out to around a $5,000 AdSense check. Now, if all of your video views are at 40,000 and higher, that's a pretty good average. It's a pretty good rate where you can snag sponsorships. So you would be able to make your AdSense money, then also probably have some sponsorships on top of that. So someone with around that average may be making close to like 10,000 a month. But yeah, that's a really good average for you guys to try and strive and reach for if you're looking to hit that $5,000 mark with AdSense. Now, do keep in mind that it varies on every channel. It all varies based upon the CPM rate, because if no one is actually clicking on the ads on your videos, you will actually make less. We all know that Google works with the AdSense program, and you do have to run ads. Most people run them at the beginning of the video. You do get paid whenever the person watching clicks on that ad. I usually try to put like 1 or 2 in the middle of a video, but I never try to go crazy or like annoy you guys. I know some people have like 10 ads in the middle of a video. That's kind of a lot in my opinion, but that is how you get paid, the more ads that you have on your videos. Now, if you're looking to make $10,000 a month through specifically just the AdSense program, you're going to want to completely double that second set of video views we just talked about. So someone who uploads consistently, who has 80,000 views per video, is probably making, again, it depends like to the dollar based upon the CPM rate, based upon your channel and how many ads you put. But that's someone who's uploading very consistently, who's probably got between 80 and 90,000 views per video. Last, if any of you guys are going for that higher level, which I think you should go for, that's what I strive for. I do have a friend who's a daily daily vlogger. I believe all her vlogs get around 150,000 and she makes well over 20 grand a month. She doesn't post every day. I want to say maybe like 3 to 4 times a week. So even if you did like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but you get around 150,000 views per video, that does equal out with the CPM rate to be making a check every month through AdSense, which is over 20 grand, which is super, super cool. I know I've made lots of other Boss Babe videos regarding making a living on YouTube, like I said, about going in depth about affiliate marketing and sponsorships if you want to review those videos, but I constantly get questions exactly about how many video views you need to make a certain amount. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. Again, I don't want you to be discouraged if your channel is not huge yet. I think something I've actually done really well, and I'm like, it's taken me a while and I've had trial and error, but I'm very proud of myself. I don't clearly have 1 million subscribers yet, and some of my videos do really well, but some of them do have lower views, but I'm still able to really capitalize on the views that I do get and really have an engaged, audience with you guys and a real tribe and a real community. I try to respond back to every comment, as you guys know. I did a video on my relationship a few days ago and it got like almost 60,000 views immediately, and I've responded to every comment. And that's not like to pat me on the back, that's just advice for you guys, that even if you get lower views, you can still snag those people to be really invested in you and your brand and your family. That way, when you mention a product or you shout something out, they're already invested in you as a person and they're so much more likely to purchase whatever you are offering. So you can definitely make a living with smaller video views and with a smaller subscriber count. So please don't let that discourage you. And you can have your own ebooks on the side and your own business. This year I launched my Girl Boss Academy, where I teach female entrepreneurs how to make a living on Instagram and on social media. So I have that income on the side. I always advocate for people to have as much additional income as you can. Try to set up for yourself residual income that you can make in your sleep. Like, someone can go on my website while I'm sleeping, I'm not doing any active work, and they can just buy my ebook, and I just made 10 bucks. So it really, really helps out. Everything adds up. Don't ever think that a small sale is not worth it, or like 10 bucks here, 15 bucks there isn't worth it. Everything adds up. You guys, I've been grinding on this for like 4.5 years, and I've learned so much about residual income and social media pay and PR and graphic design, and it's all just so fascinating, and it totally can be done. If you are on the fence about making a YouTube channel, go for it, as long as what you're making videos on you are passionate about, because it is a long-term job and a long-term passion. I truly don't think you can do something for years and years and years unless you absolutely love it, which is why 4.5 years into the game, I still upload all the time because I love what I do. I love seeing my son on camera, and editing has become fun for me. So yeah, I encourage you guys to give it all you got if you want to make a living or even a second or a third side job with YouTube and Instagram. I'll leave my ebook down below if you're looking for a YouTube or an Instagram ebook. I hope this video was helpful. I would love if you guys would give this a thumbs up and subscribe here to my channel. I also have daily vlogs with my son and my fitness and weight loss series if you guys want to watch something, a little different. I appreciate you guys being here. Hope you have a great rest of the week, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.